Good morning. Back out with the dogs at Cardiff Dogs Home. I've got a new dog today. This is Sylvia. She's a 6-year-old Staffy cross. Now, Sylvia is very placid. Needs a very, very quiet home. She needs to have a chilled out life. Doesn't like noise, too much noise. But she just loves people, and she'll give you a lot of love. So if you're the type of environment that you can provide a quiet place for a placid dog, then you should apply for Sylvia, because she's amazing. Sylvia's got a little bit of weight to lose, so we're having a very, very slow jog today. There's no frantic running. I don't think frantic and Sylvia are a good combination, so just have a little gentle jog, help her lose a little bit of weight, help me lose a little bit of weight. And hopefully we can find her a home at the same time. So Sylvia likes to do things in her own time and at her own pace. She's very relaxed. She's got beautiful eyes that'll make you melt.
Couldn't tell if you were kidding me when you said there's been no one else who made you feel this way. But all I know is all I need to understand this world is all the love you bring each time you're in the room.
I don't know how she ended up in the dog's home, but I do know this, it'll be through no fault of her own. So you see her, come and check her out. Go to the website. She's amazing. She's so gentle. She'll just be so loyal to you. Definitely camera shy.
I can't tell if I'm just dreaming, but when you walked into my life, you turned it upside down, and now I see it takes a special chemistry to keep your feet right on.
Useless. Couldn't even see it. Not even bothered. That's how chilled she is. I don't think she wants to go on the slide. I might be wrong.
Ground, but send you to the moon. Hold me close. Promise me that you won't ever let me go, because just so you know, I never seen more beauty in a soul than yours. Everyone says you're the real thing from the second that they meet me.
Beautiful, beautiful.
How you make him feel $1 million. It's enough to make
You'll have to do some work to build up Sylvia's confidence. You know, around lots of stuff, I guess, but I've only been with her for half an hour and we're already getting on really well, and she's confident with me now. So it wouldn't take a lot. If I can do that in half an hour, then, you know, if you're spending every day with her, imagine what you could achieve. She's amazing. Just I'm sad that she's in the home. I'm sad that she ended up there. So how about making her happy? How make me happy by coming and take her, give her a loving home, a forever home. She deserves it. She really does.
won't ever let me go, because just so you know, I never seen more beauty in a soul than yours.
We're having a run. Woo-hoo.
Hold me close, promise me that you won't.
She chose it. This is great.
Just so you know, I never see more beauty in a soul than yours. hold me close. Promise me that you won't ever let me go.
Yeah, we're done now.
Just so you know, I've never seen more beauty in a soul than yours.